YouTube, what's up? It's your boy BZ, and I'm back with another repair. Okay, y'all. So this is what we're gonna be replacing: the downstream O2 sensor, that bad boy back there. You know, I don't gotta replace the upstream. It's the upstream right here. You feel me? So we're gonna go step by step. And the first thing to do is to unplug that battery. So in the Audi's 2010 A4, you gotta come back here to the trunk because the battery is not in the front, and gotta go under the wheel to unplug the battery. So let's get it done. All right, so got to the battery. We're gonna be unplugging this side, not the positive side, but the negative side, just so we don't get electrocuted. You feel me? Got it unplugged. We're gonna set it on top of there like that so it's not hitting anything and being connected. Now back to the front view. This is gonna be a tricky repair for me, guys, because I don't know how I'm gonna get that sensor off and it's way in the back, so I'm gonna have to do a little finessing and get my hands up in there and let's see what we can do. Okay, y'all, so I had to go get a long extended wrench in order to get on there and pop the sensor off. So had to do that, and we got the sensor right here unplugged. So this is our sensor that we're taking out. This is the wiring harness where it came from, and it slid right here. So we're gonna make sure we put it back how it was. It has zip ties, so you're gonna have to cut those zip ties and replace them. So let's do that. Let's screw the O2 sensor off. Kind of trying to wait right now because the engine is hot, but we got the extension loosened. So we're gonna get that off and put the new one on, put it back in its connection, and we're gonna be set to go. So fuck it. I'm just gonna cut the fucking wires, y'all. I'm overplaying with that shit. Your boy done got this shit out. That was a fucking mission. This is the new one. 2 zip ties like we had the last one. Whew. After countless times trying to take this darn O2 sensor off, we've replaced it, y'all, and we got the connections, and we've gotten our wiring harness back in there. As you guys can see, the new O2 sensor right there has been installed. We've connected back to the wiring harness, put it back in its appropriate area right here. And now for the moment of truth. Let's check it out. So basically what I just did was replace my downstream O2 sensor, and the reason was because it gave me a code, and the problem that it was causing me while I was driving was just that, say I stopped at a stop sign, pressed on the brake, you know how you stop, one, two, you know, count, and then when I take off, it would like drag a little bit, and it wouldn't give me my full power when I'm pressing on the pedal. So that was basically my repair right now. That's what I did. Replace the O2 sensor so I can get power when I'm taking off. And no codes came up on the dashboard when I started it. So now we're gonna take it on the test drive just to see how it drives, see if there's any change.